Hey boys and girls, we're going to do part 1 of Math Chapter 5 review. So for the first one, number 1, we are looking at that Rita's hiking along a trail that is 13.7 miles long. So far she's hiked 1/10 of the trail. So this is going to be a division problem. You're going to divide 3.7 by, so 1/10 of that. You're going to be needing to figure that out. Okay, number 2, you're going to just divide and put your answers here. Okay, so here you're going to write an expression. So you're going to write a number and multiply, divide by a number, and then you're going to be figuring out the answer of that, and then the answer will go here. Okay, and then you're going to suppose that the total weight of the fish stays the same, but instead of 100 fish caught during the weekend, there are only 10 fish caught. So how would the weight change? So if there were only 10, you would divide by 10 instead of 100. So that's what you would do for that one. Okay. All right, number 4, you're going to draw a model. So that means you're going to be thinking about how many circles you're going to be dividing. So think how many circles. So it says 5, so you're going to be drawing 5 circles. And then you're going to divide 5.5 into those circles. Okay, we're going to skip number 5. We're going to skip the estimating. And we're going to also skip number 6 and number 7. Here you're going to be simply dividing because you're finding the length of each piece. Oops. You're going to find the length of each piece. So when you need to find only one, you're going to be dividing. Okay, number 9, Samantha's making flower arrangements. The table shows the price for a half of a dozen for each type of flower. Remember that a half of a dozen equals 6 flowers. Okay, so you're going to need to remember that for this problem. Then you're going to figure out for number A about how many. So if she buys 6 roses, 4 carnations, and 8 tulips, think about how much she will spend about on the total flowers. You can figure out the total and then say if you agree, or you can estimate these numbers and figure out how much each flower costs for that. Okay. Along with the flowers, Samantha bought 4 packages of glass beads and 2 vases. The vases cost $3.59 each, and the total sales tax was $1.34. The total amount she paid was $28.50, including sales tax. So we know this total. So then you're going to explain a strategy that she could use to find the cost of 1 package of glass beads. So you're going to need to solve the problem. And then you're going to explain how you did it, okay? So that's what you're going to do for part B. Number 10, Les is sending 8 identical catalogs to one of his customers. If the package with the catalog weighs 6.72 pounds, how much does each catalog weigh? So if we are looking at each catalog, we're looking at 1, you're going to need to divide. So go ahead and divide for number 10. And put your answers in. This is going to be on GoFormative, so please do your best, show your work, and put your answers into GoFormative.